When you were younger, did your parents ever tell you, don't put that in the microwave? Well, we're going to answer some of your questions.
So, we did some research. And apparently, these are the coolest things that you can put inside microwave. So that's what we're going to do.
Plus a rock.
Plus a rock.
All right, Jansen.
What
What's
is
next on the docket?
I really want the light bulb.
One light bulb.
We're going to open our own restaurant where we microwave everything. We're going to put it in for, what, a minute?
We'll just... Oh! He has a light bulb!
Oh, it's doing it!
It's doing a little Morse code!
SOS. Save our ship.
Save my light bulb.
Dude, that's so cool! It's like a little, lighthouse. A light microwave.
Dare I say it?
It works.
It is lit.
Ha!
Woo!
Is it hot? I
Well,
wonder.
I mean, just grab it. The water was cold, so. Ready to go back in
It's
your
a flood light.
bulb.
Ah. We're back with the lights. Now what are you feeling?
I feel like we take a break from lights.
Okay, we're gonna do this now. That didn't make any noise when I dropped it. Oh my! Oh!
Instantly.
Oh my!
shattered.
So quick! Outglove me.
Yeah. Yeah. That is palpable. Time to crack some eggs. Make an omelet.
Make some scrambled eggs.
1 minute. Yes, it is.
Some rotisserie.
Indeed.
Some
Spinning.
rotisserie egg.
I can confirm the spinning.
Oh!
Egg.
It's egg-tastic. I didn't think about the cleanup strategy. Oh!
Perfect.
Magic.
And then that
It
smells.
smells like
so
an egg.
bad.
It smells.
You're welcome.
Smolder. Oh.
The yolk is hard.
What's next, Connor?
Next.
Dare you?
Dare I?
Please fit.
Good luck.
Wait, we need to be wearing safety goggles.
Nothing's getting in these eyes.
One. It's been a minute and a half. There's a small poof. Prepare for the takeout.
All right, we're looking at a full 4 minutes and nothing.
Besides the little.
The little.
Oh.
Dang. Do we goggle up? I just don't want this thing getting more revenge on us.
Goggles activated.
Ow. I like it. Oh, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha ha! Hey, it's done.
Oh well. Dude, it's just not done.
Darn it!
killed it. It's still cold. So the Mountain Dew, we think is indestructible and is possessed by a demon.
So
But
next
other than
week,
that, our microwave overheated and it needed to take a small break.
little nap time.
So we did a little nappy nap. You know what we need?
What do we need?
A light. A hero.
To shine in the dark.
We got
Lights.
them. So we're just gonna. It begins.
Let's see what happens. We got some Stranger Things happening.
That was incredible.
That was so cool. We've heard things. We've seen things.
I personally have not seen anything.
We know things.
I'm really scared of this.
Putting goggles on. For sure. These are not easy.
Should we really do this?
Yes. Awesomeness.
If we blow up, I'm sorry, Mom. It looks like everything's a sham. This is doing nothing.
Do you even have a hot fork?
That's a hot fork, my friend. That is a hot fork. If you don't want to heat up your food, just put the fork in the microwave. Eat the cold food with the hot fork. Transitive property, hot food. That was the true, ultimate, most exciting test of them all.
Rock.
Dwayne,
That's what we named the Rock.
not Johnson.
Dwayne the Rock, not Johnson. I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. And I proudly stand up
Next to you.
and defend her still today. And there ain't no smack me with a glove.
My eyes.
Let's check back up on this rock.
Let us. Can't see because it's burning. Yeah. 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 What? What?
You smell
I don't think it's even warm yet.
what the rock is cooking. Why?
Oh my gosh, that is blazing! Oh, it's like a volcano spit a rock right out of its inner being. Okay? That thing is way too hot. That should not be that hot.
Don't put this on your back.
Yet. Thank you for watching.
You get to see what happens when you put some of these items in a microwave.
Don't put a rock in the microwave. Honestly, like, it burns.
It still hurts.
It might be burning through this. It melted the table. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Videos come out every Thursday. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit that dislike button if you did not like it.
Give us some comments too. We like to hear from our fans.
We do. We'll see you Thursday.
See you then.
Peace.